Welcome to the world of apple farming, where tradition meets innovation, and the bounty of nature meets the dedication of farmers. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the fascinating world of apple farming, supplemented with 50 facts on what it takes to start an apple farm. 1. Location is crucial for apple farming, with factors such as climate, soil type, and elevation playing a significant role in the success of the orchard. Number 2. Conducting thorough soil tests to assess fertility, pH levels, and nutrient content is essential before planting apple trees. 3. Choosing the right apple varieties suited to the climate and soil conditions of the region is critical for a successful harvest. 4. Apple trees require cross-pollination for fruit production, so planting compatible varieties or introducing beehives for pollination is necessary. 5. Apple trees typically take 3 to 5 years to reach maturity and start bearing fruit, requiring patience and long-term planning from the farmer. 6. Pruning apple trees annually is essential for shaping the tree, promoting airflow, and optimizing fruit production. 7. Implementing an irrigation system to ensure consistent water supply, especially during dry periods, is crucial for apple tree health. 8. Managing pests and diseases through integrated pest management (IPM) practices, including monitoring, trapping, and using biological controls, is necessary for a healthy orchard. 9. Thinning apples during the growing season helps improve fruit quality by ensuring proper sizing and reducing stress on the tree. 10. Fertilizing apple trees with organic or synthetic fertilizers as needed helps maintain soil fertility and support healthy tree growth. 11. Mulching around apple trees conserves soil moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature, promoting overall tree health. 12. Protecting apple trees from extreme weather events such as frost, hail, and high winds through proper orchard management practices is crucial. 13. Implementing a trellis system for apple trees can improve tree structure, increase sunlight exposure, and facilitate harvesting and maintenance. 14. Harvesting apples at the right time, when they are fully ripe but still firm, ensures optimal flavor, texture, and storability. 15. Proper post-harvest handling, including sorting, grading, and packing, helps maintain apple quality and prolong shelf life. 16. Developing a marketing strategy to sell apples through local markets, farm stands, farmers markets, or direct-to-consumer channels is essential for profitability. 17. Building relationships with wholesalers, retailers, and distributors can help apple farmers reach larger markets and increase sales volume. 18. Participating in agritourism activities such as apple picking tours, farm festivals, and educational workshops can generate additional revenue and promote community engagement. 19. Obtaining necessary permits, licenses, and certifications for operating an apple farm, including food safety certifications and pesticide applicator licenses, is essential for regulatory compliance. 20. Investing in proper equipment and machinery for orchard management tasks such as pruning, spraying, and harvesting can improve efficiency and productivity. 21. Implementing sustainable farming practices such as water conservation, soil conservation, and energy efficiency helps minimize environmental impact and promote long-term sustainability. 22. Developing a comprehensive business plan that outlines production goals, marketing strategies, financial projections, and risk management measures is crucial for a successful apple farm. 23. Securing financing or investment capital to cover startup costs, operating expenses, and capital investments is essential for launching and sustaining an apple farm. 24. Conducting market research to identify consumer preferences, market trends, and competitive landscapes helps apple farmers make informed decisions about product offerings and pricing. 25. Establishing a reliable supply chain for inputs such as seeds, saplings, fertilizers, pesticides, and equipment ensures smooth orchard operations. 26. Building a team of skilled laborers, including farm workers, equipment operators, and administrative staff, is necessary for day-to-day orchard management tasks. 27. Developing a pest and disease management plan that includes preventive measures, monitoring protocols, and response strategies helps minimize crop losses and ensure orchard health. 28. Implementing food safety protocols and quality control measures throughout the production process, from planting to harvesting to packaging, is essential for delivering safe and high-quality apples to consumers. 29. Investing in ongoing education and training for farm workers on best practices for orchard management, pest control, and food safety promotes continuous improvement and ensures compliance with industry standards. 30. Diversifying revenue streams by offering value-added products such as apple cider, apple sauce, apple butter, or apple chips can increase profitability and reduce dependence on fresh apple sales. 31. Collaborating with local agricultural organizations, extension services, and research institutions can provide access to resources, expertise, and technical assistance to support orchard management and business development. 32. Implementing a record-keeping system to track orchard activities, input usage, yield data, and financial transactions helps apple farmers monitor performance, analyze trends, and make informed decisions. 33. Developing a succession plan for the apple farm to ensure smooth transition and continuity of operations in the event of retirement, disability, or other unforeseen circumstances is essential for long-term sustainability. 34. Participating in industry associations, trade shows, and networking events can help apple farmers stay informed about industry trends, exchange knowledge and experiences, and build professional relationships. 35. Investing in branding, packaging, and marketing efforts to differentiate apple products, communicate value propositions, and build brand recognition helps attract and retain customers in competitive markets. 36. Adopting technology solutions such as weather monitoring systems, crop management software, and precision agriculture tools can improve decision-making, optimize resource allocation, and enhance productivity on the apple farm. 37. Maintaining good relationships with neighbors, local communities, and regulatory agencies through open communication, collaboration, and adherence to best practices fosters a positive reputation and goodwill for the apple farm. 38. Monitoring market demand, consumer preferences, and competitive dynamics to identify opportunities for product innovation, differentiation, and diversification helps apple farmers stay competitive and adapt to changing market conditions. 39. Participating in sustainable agriculture certification programs or eco-labeling initiatives can enhance the marketability of apple products and appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. 40. Developing a risk management plan that includes strategies for mitigating potential threats such as weather events, pest outbreaks, market fluctuations, and regulatory changes helps apple farmers safeguard their investments and ensure business resilience. 41. Investing in infrastructure improvements such as storage facilities, packing houses, and processing equipment can enhance operational efficiency, product quality, and market access for the apple farm. 42. Engaging in community outreach and education initiatives to raise awareness about the benefits of local agriculture, promote healthy eating habits, and foster appreciation for farming traditions helps build support for the apple farm within the community. 43. Participating in farm-to-school programs, farmers' markets, and community-supported agriculture (CSA) initiatives can create direct sales opportunities and strengthen connections between apple farmers and consumers. 44. Implementing water management practices such as drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting, and soil moisture monitoring helps optimize water use efficiency, reduce water consumption, and protect water quality on the apple farm. 45. Developing a succession plan for the apple farm to ensure smooth transition and continuity of operations in the event of retirement, disability, or other unforeseen circumstances is essential for long-term sustainability. 46. Participating in industry associations, trade shows, and networking events can help apple farmers stay informed about industry trends, exchange knowledge and experiences, and build professional relationships. 47. Investing in branding, packaging, and marketing efforts to differentiate apple products, communicate value propositions, and build brand recognition helps attract and retain customers in competitive markets. 48. Adopting technology solutions such as weather monitoring systems, crop management software, and precision agriculture tools can improve decision-making, optimize resource allocation, and enhance productivity on the apple farm. 49. Maintaining good relationships with neighbors, local communities, and regulatory agencies through open communication, collaboration, and adherence to best practices fosters a positive reputation and goodwill for the apple farm. 50. Monitoring market demand, consumer preferences, and competitive dynamics to identify opportunities for product innovation. Differentiation and diversification helps apple farmers stay competitive and adapt to changing market conditions. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of apple farming, accompanied by 50 key facts on what it takes to start an apple farm. We hope you've gained valuable insights into the dedication, hard work, and passion that go into growing the apples we all know and love.